See, you see, let me tell you. If once you talk to the guy finish, the guy won't come out. You go tell him say, "Get it, Baba." Get it, Baba. Let's go. I make it with the family. You know, I told you I love you well. See, as you just leave me for months, I don't go find. I don't sabi you go well. As a matter of fact, baby. See, as I'm looking at you now, baby. See, give one. Do ezigbo umbe. What? Baby, see, if you see the love that I have for you, I make sure that I learn Igbo very well. See, I'll tell you that one. See, baby, see, ayagi, odika, ayagwo. Baby, I'm in love with you. See, I'm ready to do anything to marry you. See, there's another one again I want to tell you. See me. You see me. Mwa. Album. Ezigbote onyohi. See? So, baby, see, like to show you how much I love you, to show you how much I love you. See, I'll tell this one again. See, Abiaram. Abiara kan zugi ohi. As you see me say, Abiara kan zugi ohi. You know the girl. Wait a minute. Is she happy? She's happy. She's no. See, what I tell you. See that girl now? Go and prepare your bed. Let's go.